Hi guys, I like to recycle, so I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration, and I hope you guys are interested in it well. It's called the Useful DIY Challenge Recycle Glass with MomDas at Life, Handmade, and Maria's DIY. Now guys, if you're interested in finding out what I recycled, stick around. Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And in this challenge today, guys, all MomDas and Maria asked us to do was to get a glass bottle, a jar, container, and recycle it and use it in our home. Now guys, if you're not familiar with MomDas or Maria's channels, I will have a link to their channels down below along with the playlist for this challenge when it becomes available. Now I'm curious to see what the other ladies come up with, guys. So if you want to see what I did, stick around. Okay guys, here is my glass container. I use the Circle E candles. As you see, the scent is Bird of Paradise. We love that scent. So we have quite a few containers from that. So what I do when I finish with it is that I put them in the freezer to freeze them to get the last of the candle wick out so I can put it in my wax burners. Now, what I do with these containers is I have some that I've already done. Okay, I've done these two where I've sprayed the top copper and had a label made of pasta. As you see, I use those in the kitchen. And then I have another candle container. I use this in my bathroom. I keep my bath bombs in here. The ones I get from the Dollar Tree, the one I've gotten from Bed Bath & Beyond. I keep them in here in my bathroom on the shelf. Now another candle holder that I had is this funny shaped one. And I cannot remember for the life of me what candle was in here. But I put my bath salts in this one. So I do refurbish my glass containers, candle containers, if I think I can use them for something else. Now this one here, after I get the last of the wax out of here, I will be using this one somewhere here in the house. I always keep these because they always come in handy. So guys, here is my recycled glass. I hope this does this for you guys. I do recycle my glassware as often as possible to because I think it's a waste of money to throw them away if I can use them for something else. That's just me. But guys, I hope you enjoyed my short video. And if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click the subscribe button you see down below. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed on the screen and down below in the description box as well. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, showing you my refurbished glass and saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.